Dear students, today we will discuss Model 2 Architecture for Programmable Digital Signal Processing Device. In this, we will discuss Introduction, DSP Computational Building Blocks, Bus Architecture and Memory, Data Addressing Modes, Address Generation Unit, and Programmability and Program Execution. Okay, here first we will discuss about the introduction. Architecture features of programmable DSP devices are described based on the DSP operations. These devices are generally required to perform the above DSP operations. The features are examined from the points of view of functional needs. What are the functional needs and its programmability and its speed and interfacing requirements of these devices. Okay, commonly used hardware implementations are also described for various functional units. Now we'll discuss about the basic architectural features. What are the features are required? Okay, to implement some during the what are the features are required here? A programmable DSP device should provide instructions similar to a microprocessor. These instructions can be used to design programs for implementing DSP algorithms. Here, the DSP processor which has the instructions similar to the microprocessor. Those instructions are used to implement the DSP algorithm. The basic instruction set of typical DSP devices should include the following. Here, which include the instruction set which includes the arithmetic operations such as add, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and logical operations. Here we have different gates: AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate operation, NOT gate operation, different gates operations. Then multiply and accumulate operations. We call it as MAC unit. Then signal scaling operations for scaling the signal before and after digital signal processing. Here, to avoid the overflow and underflow at the input side and output side of the device, okay, we can do the scaling of input signal. Okay, to do the scaling, we use the shifters. Later, we'll discuss about the shifters. Okay. In addition to the computational units, the architecture should include the following hardware features. What are those? On-chip registers for immediate results. Okay, during the DSP processing, okay, some data can be reused. Okay, such type of data is called as intermediate result, that can be stored in on-chip register. It can be stored in the register. And the signal samples, that means X of n input sample, that can be stored in the RAM, that means on-chip memory. Then on-chip memory to store the filter coefficients. To store the filter coefficients, we use the ROM, that means on-chip, that is also on-chip memory. Okay, in the below example, we will discuss what are the features are required to implement this FIR filter, 10th order FIR filter.